The uniqueness of the Tibet is such that the goals of Tibetan Buddhism has transformed the DNA of our culture and the society. For over 1,000 years, Tibetans have worked to develop compassionate intelligence to be able to build a society that interacts nonviolence with the deep care, concern for the well-being of humanity.
What will it mean to be a Tibetan in 30 years? What will our children and grandchildren know of Tibetan culture? For 30 years, the Tibet Fund has improved the lives of thousands of individual Tibetans and the community as a whole, in exile and inside Tibet. From the moment a Tibetan refugee crosses the border to freedom, the Tibet Fund is there to help.
Whether they are new arrivals at the reception centers, hospitals and clinics, or school children who have escaped without their parents, or young monks and nuns seeking a traditional education, or destitute elders, the Tibet Fund has helped them to recover from their dangerous journey and rebuild their lives in exile.
His Holiness the Dalai Lama has said that education is the Tibetan people's highest priority. Over the years, the Tibet Fund's sponsorship program has supported thousands of students in schools, monasteries, nunneries, and vocational training centers where young Tibetans learn skills that prepare them for jobs in the modern workplace. Our professional scholarship program is helping Tibetan college students earn degrees in medicine, healthcare, and other professions urgently needed in the exile community.
Since 1988, the Tibet Fund has brought 383 college students to study in the United States.
Almost all have returned to take up positions of leadership in the exile community as Tibetan government employees, doctors, teachers, and cultural workers. Our grants have helped to sustain and strengthen 53 settlements in India, Nepal, and Bhutan, where the Tibetan way of life and identity are preserved.
Funding for the Tibetan cooperatives, organic farming, sanitation and clean water, elder homes, housing, and many other infrastructure projects have greatly improved living and economic conditions in the settlements. We provided the hardware and training to link 33 settlements via the internet.
The Tibet Fund has played a major role in the preservation of Tibetan culture over the years, such as funding the digitization of rare texts at the Library of Tibetan Works and Archives, a publishing facility at the Institute of Buddhist Dialectics, and a multimedia program at the Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts.
We have also presented dialogue with His Holiness the Dalai Lama and other leaders like former President of Ireland, Mary Robinson, concerned with promoting peace and social justice in the world.
The Tibet Fund has also made a difference in the lives of Tibetans inside Tibet. Since 1994, we have supported eye surgery camps, a major eye care center, 3 orphanages, English language and vocational training, and emergency assistance for victims of natural disasters, including last year's earthquake in Yushu.
Yes, Tibet lost country, but it maintains the dignity. Such a culture is valuable for all humankind. Certainly, that is worth perceiving.